So the CSGO case market has been going kinda insane recently, and if you remember in the past few months, I've been saying that there's no real reason for them to crash or really have a massive pullback in price. Even 9 days ago, I was saying they could still go higher, and they have in a big way. So today, I want to talk about the CSGO case market and why even after all this crazy price action that it still shows no signs in stopping anytime soon. So as always, if you do enjoy and are indeed near 70% of people that watch these videos and aren't subbed yet, be sure to subscribe, and quickly before we get into it, check out how to get $5 for free from the sponsor SkinsMonkey. SkinsMonkey is a CSGO trading site where you can find great prices to trade your skins at, and just to prove it, here's me trading my USPS monster mashup versus StatTrak AK Cartel, and it's practically a break-even trade. You can even make some money, and here's how. SkinsMonkey is offering up to a $5 bonus if you sign up through that link in the description, or just enter code SUKA in the top right when you log into the site. So be sure to sign up today with that link and easily trade out your old boring skins for new ones without losing tons of money. But for now, let's get right into the video. So first of all, if you go back and look at any trend of CSGO cases on the market, you'll see it's pretty crazy, not only huge gains in the past few weeks. Zoom out though and you'll see a lot of cases are either hitting all-time highs or getting to prices near the summer hype from last year at this point. But what the vast majority of you guys probably haven't noticed is that in every case I've looked at so far, which is at least like 10 of the most popular ones, we see that the buy orders compared to the sell prices are only a few cents different at most, which is really insane. For cases, especially in a time where they're this volatile in price and just going up so much, it's very interesting to see this. And what it tells us is that people are not only willing to pay the current price on the market, there's tons of buy orders at that price as well, meaning there's tons of support at these really high prices, which might, number one, cause them to continue on their way up if people continue placing these high buy orders relative to the cost, or at least the buy orders stay there, or at least won't cause them to absolutely crash in price because of the thousands of buy orders that are only like 10 cents lower than the market price in something like the Dreams and Nightmares case, for example. Same goes with something like the CS20 case. There's tons of buy orders just 1 cent below its current price, and 2 cents there's thousands more. So people are happy to buy at this price even though it's way higher than it was just a few weeks ago, and people are placing buy orders at this price in the thousands. Also, just to credit who I first saw this from, it's once again Raw CSGO, posting some absolute bangers about investing, so credit to him for noticing this before I did. He also points out there just isn't a single sign of diminished interest yet. Now, of course, with the market in a spot like this, it's just not going to continue going up this drastically for a really extended period of time. So with that being said, what's the move if you're holding on to these cases right now? Well, as I said earlier, first of all, I don't think we're going to see a massive crash with the amount of buy orders we have right under the market listing price right now. Not to mention, as I've been saying for months, we shouldn't have an operation anytime soon, at least not until after the major, which, I mean, the operation is the only real thing that has proven to be something we have to worry about, because it has proven to absolutely crash the market like 25% across the entire market. No cases excluded, no skins excluded. But with that being said, we do have the major in just about exactly 1 month now, with the update with sticker capsules, souvenir packages, all that stuff probably dropping towards the very beginning of May if I had to guess, as it does drop a few days before the actual event starts. And I think that can result in a slight pullback in price, with people happy to sell at this all-time high price if they did invest, because practically everybody that has invested in the past is in the green right now if they bought cases, and probably not only in the green but up quite a bit of money. So if I had to guess, I think maybe we'll start to see things slow down in a few weeks when we get closer to the major, maybe go sideways for a bit throughout the entire event as attention shifts to sticker capsules and souvenir packages. But until those buy orders start getting sold into, we won't see a crash, and the case market overall just looks really strong. And even with these sticker capsules and souvenir packages and stuff like that coming with the major, in the past it really hasn't shown any market crashes. It just kind of shows people selling for the highest buy order, and once again, if the buy orders are practically at the market selling price, that shouldn't even be a big issue. It might just cause prices to go sideways once again. So with all that being said, I don't plan on adding any more cases to my investments, simply because I don't really want to go through the process of selling them. I've already got 2,000 CS20 cases, which Lord only knows how long those are going to take to sell when I do decide to, but I would rather just get into higher tier skins, just buy one thing worth like $1,000 or $2. It's one transaction to sell it. You don't have to go through a million different steps with cases. And with how strong the case market has been so far, I think buying skins at this point might just be a better option, not only because it's easier, but because there might be a big run up coming for skins soon. Older operation skins like the Emerald or Mungander are definitely starting to show some strength, and I think if we see the strength in the market continue, that it's possible we get some crazy hype in skins like we saw last summer. So that's what I'm hoping for. I'm not betting on it, I'm holding on to my stuff either way, but if that does happen, I could very well sell during that time. It just depends how much they go up and if they're going up just as much on third-party sites. So overall, I wouldn't be selling at all right now unless we start to see some signs of weakness and those buy orders get sold into. If I'm selling anytime soon, it'll most likely be after the major if these crazy market conditions continue, and if we see skins follow this sharp uptrend as well, and before the next operation gets released if CSGO devs start hinting at it, which they usually do. But beyond that, if I don't sell then, my plan is just to hold on to everything for at least another year, as I need the money for things in real life at that point. Either way, I think the market is still great long term, and I doubt I'll ever sell everything at once because I definitely do want to hold things long term, and I do believe in the market long term. So besides all that, as always, if you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and check out Skins Monkey as well in that pinned comment for a free $5 bonus. But for now, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.